Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically display your Discord wish list on your profile. So it's going to look something similar to this. So go to the wish list section and you're able to view people's wish lists as well, and you are able to send like gifts if you want to. So to do that, let's go to direct messages and go to shops here. Then you are going to basically select the one you want to add on your wish list, like which bundle, for instance, or like even just like the nameplates or the avatar decorations. I think you can sort it here. So I'll just do a bundle. Okay, there's only 4. Let's do this one, and then you're just going to, oh, okay, maybe you're not able to add bundles, okay, but you're just going to add it to like your wish list by pressing the heart icon here. Let's do, okay, let's shop the whole shop. Let's do like this new one. It's pretty. Oh, actually this one. Press the heart button and it's going to be added to your wish list. Your wish list lives on your profile, easy for you and your friends to find. You can also view your wish list here. And as you can see, my wish list of getting this is there. So people are able to buy that for me, or you're able to buy that for other people as well. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.